Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the online lecture of Sharad B. More English High School. Till now, we have completed till question number 9. The next question number 10. Radius of a sector of a circle is 7 centimeter. Okay. If measure of the arc of the sector is 30 degree, 210 degree, 3 right angles, find the area of the sector. Okay. In each cases means here we have to find the area of the sector for given three measures. Okay, first one is 30 degree, so now we'll use the radius, that is 7 centimeter, and we'll use the theta. Okay, the value of theta is 30 degree. Okay, now we'll apply the formula for finding out the measure of arc of the sector. Okay, okay, first we'll write what is given to us. Okay, it's given in measure of an arc of the sector is given. Okay, so now we'll write radius, that is r, is equals to 7 centimeter. Okay, then measure of arc of the sector, that is theta. Okay, theta is given as in first case 30 degree. And now what we have to find, we have to find the measure of the arc of the sector. Okay, after that area of the sector. Okay, now we'll find out the area of the sector. Okay, so now you know the formula. We'll apply the formula, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, for area of the sector. Okay, now we'll substitute the values. Theta is 30 degrees, so now you'll write here 30 upon 360 into pi. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. Okay, and then r square. So r square means 7 square. Okay, now we'll solve it to get the value. Okay, now look, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, now here 7 and 1 7 will get cancelled. So remaining terms are 22, 7, and here it is 12, right? Now we can cancel it again. 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 11 sevens are 77. Now we will divide 77 by 6 to get the final answer. Okay, now 6 ones are 6, 1 remaining here, you will do carry, so it's now 6 17. Okay, now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 twos are 12, remaining is 5. You will put a decimal point and increase the 0, right? Now 6, okay, now 6 के टेबल में 50 नहीं आता, right? उसे lesson number 48. Okay, so now 6 8s are 48, remaining is 2. So again you will increase the 0. 6 3s are 18, again 2. So you will get final answer as 612. You will get your final answer as 12.83. Okay, 12.83. Since it's area, so you will use the unit centimeter square. Therefore area of the sector is 12.83 centimeter square. Therefore area of the sector is 12.83 centimeter square for first case. Okay, where theta is 30 degree. Now we'll do the same process for second case, that is 210 degree. Okay, means value of theta is 210 degree. Now use the, and radius will be same. Okay, radius is 7 centimeter. Now let's solve for second case. Okay, here we are doing for the second case. R is 7 centimeter, theta is 210 degree. Okay, now area of sector का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग वापस से. Area of sector is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Got it? Now value of theta is 210 degree. Then 360 as it is. Value of pi 22 upon 7. R square means 7 square. Okay. Now look, 0 0 will get cancelled. Okay. Now here it's 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Okay. Okay, now we can cancel it with a table of 3. 3 sevens are 21, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Right? Now remaining terms. 7, 22, here it's 12 and here it's 1 7. Okay. Now we can cancel it by the table of 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now we will multiply all the remaining terms. That is 11 into 7 into 7, right? 11 sevens are 77. 77 into 7 upon 6. Okay. Now we will again multiply 77 by 7 and you will divide that product by 6. Okay. 7 sevens are 49. So 9 here, 4 carry. 7 sevens are 49 plus 4, 53. So 513 is the product. We have to divide it by 6. Okay. 6 ones are 6. 6 eights are 48. Now remaining is 5. So you will carry forward. So it's now 59. Okay. Now 6 nines are 60. Here it's okay. Okay, 6. हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट क्या करे 6 के टेबल से डिवाइड करे 6 8 जा 48. ओके नाउ 53 में से आप 48 माइनस करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा 5. सो आपने क्या करे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करे. ओके नाउ इट्स 59. ओके अब 6 के टेबल में 59 नहीं आएगा बट उससे लेसर नंबर क्या आएगा हियर 6 9 जा 54. Okay, so now remaining 5. Now 5 can be cancelled by the table of 6. So you will put a decimal here and increase a 0. Okay, again 6 8 are 48, remaining is 2. You will increase a 0. 6 3 are 18. Remaining will be 2. Again 6 3 are 18. So your final answer will be 89.833 will continue, right? So you simply write it as 89.83 centimeter square. Okay. Therefore, area of the sector is Therefore, area of the sector is 89.83 centimeter square. Okay. So we have completed second part. Okay. Now next one, third part. Third case में क्या given है आपको? The three right angles. Three right angles means what? 3 into right angles, right? So that is right angle का measurement क्या होता है 90 degree. So we will multiply that by 3 and we will get that 270 degree. Okay, means theta की value क्या रहेगी 270 degree. Okay, so now let's write here theta is equals to 3 right angles, right? Means 3 into right angle का measurement क्या होता है 90 degree. 3 into 90 270 degree. Okay, and radius is 7. So now you got the theta 270. You have the value for radius 7 centimeter. Now we will apply the formula for area of sector. Okay, area of sector is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now we'll apply the values. Okay, theta की value है 270. Then here it's 360. Pi की value 22 upon 7. R की value is 7. Okay, so 7 square. Okay. Now 7 7 will get cancelled. 0 0 will get cancelled. Right. Now you can cancel it with a table of 3. 3 nines are 27. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 16. Okay. 3 threes are 9. And then again 3 fours are 12. Okay. So now you got here 3 upon 4 and 22 and 7. Okay. Now we will write the remaining values. You can cancel it by the table of 9 directly. Okay. So now you got the remaining terms at 3 upon 4 22 into 7. Now we'll multiply 3, 22 and 7 and then divide the product by 4. Okay, now 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 66 into 7 divided by 4. 7 6 are 42. To your right, 4 carry, right? Again, 7 6 are 42 plus 2 plus 4, 46. 462 upon 4. Okay. Now we will divide. 4 ones are 4. Again, 4 ones are 4. 2 remaining रहेगा पर carry forward करोगे. Okay. Now 4 5s are 20, right? The remaining will be 2. Again, you will put a decimal and increase a 0. Again, 4 5s are 20. 115.5 centimeter square. Okay. Therefore, area of the sector is 115.5 centimeter square. Okay. Final answer क्या रहेगा आपका? Answer in words. Therefore, area of sector is 115.5 centimeter square. Okay, so here we have completed this question. Question number 10. Okay, next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. The area of a minor sector of a circle is 3.85 centimeter square. Okay, अब circle इसका minor sector का area given है and the measure of its central angle is 36 degree. आपको थीटा की वैल्यू भी गिवन है, आपको वो एरिया की एरिया गिवन है. ओके, माइनर सेक्टर का. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Okay, wait. First we'll solve 11th one. Okay, then I'll clear your doubt. 11th question क्या है देखो. The area of a minor sector of a circle is 3.85 centimeter square. Area given है आपको and the measure of central angle is 36 degree. Central angle का measurement. Central angle that vertex lies on the center. Okay, central angle मतलब थीटा की वैल्यू भी given है आपको और आपको इस minor sector का area भी given है, right? फिर आप क्या करो, आपको फाइंड क्या करना है, सिंपली रेडियस फाइंड करना है. ओके, नाउ यू विल यूज द फॉर्मूला. आपको रेडियस फाइंड करना है. ओके, आपको सेंट्रल एंगल दैट इज थीटा की वैल्यू गिवन है, क्या है, 36 डिग्री. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आपको एरिया भी गिवन है. एरिया की वैल्यू क्या है, एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू 3.85 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, जो गिवन है आप क्या करोगे, उसका ही फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे टू फाइंड आउट द रेडियस. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर is equals to theta upon 360. क्या फॉर्मूला है, theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula, right? Now we'll substitute all the given values. Area of sector given है, that is 3.85. Then theta की वैल्यू given है 36 upon 360 into pi. Pi की वैल्यू अप्लाई करोगे 22 upon 7 into r square. Okay, r square as it is रहेगा because आपको r की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. Okay, now we will solve it. Okay, r square as it is रखोगे, अदर वैल्यूज को शिफ्ट करोगे. So 3.85 will be as it is. Now remaining terms जो डिनोमिनेटर में वो क्या आ जाएंगे, न्यूमरेटर में. मीन्स 3.85 into 360 into 7, right? 360 into 7 upon 36 into 22. Now we will solve it. Okay, 36 and 36 will get cancelled and here remaining will be 0. 36 1 the 36. Okay, and it's 0. So now remaining terms 38.5 है, 10 है. 3.85 को आपको क्या करना है, 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो क्या हो जाएगा, एक प्लेस डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो जाएगी राइट साइड. ओके, सो 38.5 हो जाएगा. देन नाउ यू हैव 38.5 into 7 upon 22. Okay, now okay, now look, you will multiply 38.5 and 7 and then you will divide it by 22. Okay, so now let multiply first. 7 5 is the 35. 5 you will write here. 3 carry. Okay, 8 7s are 56 plus 3 Now you will write here again 5 carry 7 3 the 21 plus 5 26, and that is a decimal after one digit. So here it's 269.5 upon 22. Okay, is equals to r square. Okay, now you can cancel it by the table of 11. 11 to the 22. Again 11 to the 22. 4 remaining है, carry forward करोगे 11 4 the 44. Again 5 remaining रहेगा, carry forward करोगे 11 5 the 55. So now you got 24.5 upon 2. Okay, अब इसको आपको क्या करना है, 2 से डिवाइड करना है. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, डेसिमल पुट करना है. 2 2 जा 4, 1 रिमेनिंग है, 0 इंक्रीज करोगे, 2 5 जा 10. So your final answer is 12.25. R square is equals to 12.25. So it means square root of 12.25 will be your final answer, that is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, आपका रेडियस क्या आया, रेडियस की वैल्यू फाइंड करना था. सो देयरफॉर फाइनल आंसर आप क्या लिखोगे वर्ड्स में, द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज 3.5 centimeter. ओके